In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you recently updated your personal information, want your display name to look more professional, or you simply want to fix a typo, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're logged into your account. To access your account settings, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This little menu holds all the important information about your account, so make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, a small menu will appear showing your name, email, and a few quick options. Look for the button that says My Microsoft Account and click on it. Teams will open your Microsoft account settings in a new tab, so give it a moment to load completely. This is where all your profile information is managed. Once the page opens, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of all your account settings such as security, privacy, rewards, and more. For now, click on your info. This section contains all your main profile details, including your name, birthday, country or region, and language preferences. And you'll notice an option that says Edit Name. Go ahead and click on it. A new window will pop up, giving you the ability to update your first name and last name. This is the information that appears in Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and other Microsoft services, so be sure to type your updated name exactly how you want it to appear. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Make sure your new name matches your organization's format if you're using a school or work account. Doing this beforehand helps you avoid any confusion in meetings or chats. After entering your new name, you'll need to complete a security CAPTCHA to confirm that the request is coming from a real person. Simply type the characters you see on the screen. This step helps keep your account safe. Once you're done, click Save and your name will be updated across Microsoft services. It may take a few minutes to show up in Teams, so don't worry if the change doesn't appear instantly. You can refresh Teams or sign out and back in to speed up the update. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your name in Microsoft Teams easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?